I came back out to St. Louis to visit my buddy Josh Kreidler, and I was going to his office to find his Scrum boards to take a look at them and see how they've evolved, and he had this to say.
So a few months ago, we had another COVID outbreak on our job, which pushed a lot of our coordination virtual again. So our in-person sticky note boards now are on a mural site that looks like this with our teams. Going through this process, one thing we found is we had an individual board for each team, MEP team, interior finish team, structures, enclosures, and there was a lot of separation. So when we went virtual, it was a lot easier to combine some things. So some of the teams that work a lot closer together, like our MEP and interiors, who every day are interacting, now share a Scrum board. And we have a set of meetings where we spend time sitting down with the whole team and talking about where we're impacting each other, where somebody's carrying the torch for another, call it a crossover activity, to make sure they're on the board, they're getting the attention they need, that we're prioritizing them right, and that open communication and dialogue is actually happening. It's been really successful. We still do our sprints as individual interiors team and MEP team, and then we have our team check-ins as well as our overall group check-in. Things got better on site with the COVID stuff, but people didn't want to let go of this. They saw a lot of value in that, and if you walk through our job trailer, this is open on one screen in just about everybody's computer.
And this job also runs off of a tact plan, and we always say tact creates that rhythm, and then pull systems bring everything to that tact rhythm. This is an example of a Scrum system pulling all the other information, tasks, permissions, anything that the project management team needs to bring into that tacted rhythm. This is a great example of how to do it. So great job, Josh. Anything else?
Yeah, on that point with the tact plan, there's some things in here. You'll see a lot of these sticky notes are actual roadblocks from the field. So we have floor leads. Some of these things are floor leads that do the daily huddles with the teams out in the field. There's about 4 different huddle groups going on, and most of the time if a roadblock can't get fixed right there in that huddle and on that floor level, they end up on this board with the right person, so that we're making sure we're clearing all the roadblocks as they come on.
I love it. You can see somebody using it right there. All right, on we go.